Do you think Tesla is a buy right now? Many are convinced that Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett is buying Tesla stock amidst the dip. Experts believe that Tesla is a buy right now while the stock is cheaper. Find out if Buffett is one of them, so make sure not to miss this one. Recent news shows that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is continuing to unwind its long position in BYD, China's largest homegrown EV maker and Tesla's major rival, after holding it for 14 years. Because of this, many speculations are arising that Warren Buffett is selling BYD to buy Tesla stock. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. Thus, he is known as the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns dozens of companies, including insurer Geico, battery maker Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. The CEO has promised to donate over 99% of his wealth. So far, he has given more than $49 billion, mostly to the Gates Foundation and his kids' foundations. In fact, he and Bill Gates launched the Giving Pledge in 2010, asking billionaires to commit to donating at least half of their wealth to charitable causes. As of November 28, 2022, Buffett has a real-time net worth of $108.5 billion, making him the world's fifth wealthiest person today. Warren Buffett is arguably the world's most famous investor, and his investment moves are closely followed. The legendary investor's conglomerate sold another 3.2 million Hong Kong listed shares of BYD in the past week, cutting its stake to 15.99% as shown in a Hong Kong Stock Exchange filing. The sale was valued at about $80 million. This fueled more speculations that Buffett is selling BYD shares in favor of Tesla stock. Recent statements from Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman did not help douse rising suppositions that the company is buying, or at least preparing to buy, Tesla shares. It can be noted that Buffett's right-hand man, Charlie Munger, recently stated that what Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle. In a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, Munger spoke highly of Elon Musk's electric vehicle company Tesla, calling it an amazing feat in the American auto industry. "I was certainly surprised that Tesla did as well as it did," Munger said in the interview. However, Munger noted that he does not equate Tesla with Bitcoin. According to him, Tesla has made some real contributions to this civilization, and that its CEO Elon Musk has done some good things that others couldn't do. "We haven't had a successful new auto company in a long time. What Tesla has done in the car business is a minor miracle," Munger said. "He's done some remarkable things. Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors," Warren Buffett said of Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. Although Berkshire has never before invested in Tesla, Buffett praised Musk's accomplishments at Tesla in a 2022 interview. "I mean, Elon didn't. He's taking on General Motors, Ford, Toyota, all these people who've got all the stuff, and he's got an idea, and he's winning. That's America. You can't dream it up. It's astounding," Buffett said. When asked about his thoughts on Tesla and its controversial CEO Elon Musk, Buffett vaguely answered, "He's done some remarkable things." Buffett also said this about the famous EV maker: "Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors." Buffett has previously hailed Musk as a wonderful individual, but has also stated that he has room for improvement and should be more judicious in his tweeting. It's no secret just how controversial Musk is, especially with how he exchanges tweets with his followers. Some may even argue that at least half of the time Tesla trended is not actually because of the brand itself, but because of its leader. On the other hand, Musk responded to a Twitter thread claiming that he was worth more than Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. He joked, "Perhaps Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla." When asked about whether or not Warren Buffett would invest in Tesla stock, the Oracle of Omaha kept his answer short. "No," Buffett said. However, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sale of BYD shares, a close competitor of Tesla, made people wonder if Buffett is changing his mind about this matter. Berkshire has not disclosed the reason for the sales, which made people think that this is because he is jumping ship. It can even be noted that BYD has already surpassed Tesla to become China's best-selling EV brand. Last month, it sold 103,155 pure electric vehicles in China. In comparison, Tesla delivered 71,704 vehicles from its China factory, according to data from the China Passenger Car Association. Since the summer, Berkshire has been on a BYD stock selling spree. based on the latest exchange filing, the conglomerate has dumped more than 49 million BYD shares in the past 4 months. It's not clear how much Berkshire has profited from the sale, but the average price of each share in the 5 deals disclosed by the company since August was around $205 Hong Kong, 26 US dollars. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made it clear on multiple occasions that he is not Warren Buffett's biggest fan, whether it's calling his job super boring or disagreeing with his investing suggestions. In the most recent earnings call, Elon Musk was asked if he would consider putting his diverse ventures under a parent organization, like Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, and he simply answered that he is not Warren Buffett. "I actually work and design and develop products. We're not going to have a portfolio of investments or whatever," said Musk, who heads EV maker Tesla, the aerospace company SpaceX, infrastructure company The Boring Company, and now Twitter. Musk, currently the world's richest person with a net worth of $191.2 billion as of November 28, 2022, indicated he would want to keep his companies separate. "It's not clear to me what the overlap is," he was quoted as saying by Fortune. Elon Musk explained why he is not like Warren Buffett, as 2 of the world's richest men have divergent approaches to business. The Tesla boss has in the past diminished Buffett's advice to investors to find companies with moats or buffers around them. In 2018, Musk said, "Moats are lame, and it is the speed of innovation that matters," CNBC reported. To this, Buffett responded with, "Elon may turn things upside down in some areas. I don't think he'd want to take us on in candy," he had said, referring to See's Candy, the company he bought in 1972. Despite this, it is evident that Buffett believes in Elon and, consequently, Tesla's potential to perform splendidly in the not-so-distant future. Today, Tesla is considered one of the topmost growth stocks available, although its stock prices are projected to have more consistent and steady growth in the future due to high-level business strategies being adopted by the company. Like most stocks in the stock market, Tesla stock has had its fair share of highs and lows. And like other big corporation stocks, it's a bit of a difficult stock to predict even for the most seasoned Wall Street analysts. It is worth noting that Berkshire, led by longtime CEO Warren Buffett, is demonstrating its defensive attributes in a bear market, with its Class A shares up 0.3% this year against an 18% fall in the S&P 500. Tesla stock is off some 35%, reflecting disappointment on vehicle deliveries and a pullback in growth stocks, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk's pursuit of Twitter hasn't helped. In a recent article from Barron's titled "Buffett's Berkshire Chases Musk's Tesla on Market Value," Barron's noted that Warren is catching up. It is further noted that the market value of Berkshire Hathaway is hot on the heels of the electric vehicle leader with the drop in sales of Tesla this year. Notably, Elon Musk's Tesla has seen $600 billion wiped from its market value this year, and it's now worth less than Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. As investors continue to swap out riskier stocks for safer options, Tesla has tumbled below Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway in market value. Investors are also worried that Musk's Twitter takeover could be a costly distraction. Tesla's market capitalization slumped below $600 billion in early November, well short of Berkshire's $645 billion market value. That said, Buffett's company has officially reclaimed its spot as the 5th largest company in the S&P 500 index. According to the latest figures, Tesla stock has plunged by 53% this year, wiping roughly $600 billion from the automaker's market cap. Meanwhile, Berkshire shares have slid just 3%, leaving the conglomerate's market cap virtually intact. Tesla stock has been greatly affected by inflation, rising interest rates, and a looming recession. Musk's recent $44 billion buyout of Twitter has also been a huge factor in the company's stock performance these days. Musk is now in the process of revamping the social media platform, laying off roughly half its workforce and trying to stop it from losing more cash. In fact, Musk sold about $4 billion of Tesla stock, likely to service the loans he took out to finance his takeover. Investors are now facing their fears since Musk has become less focused on the automaker and might even sell more shares, which could temper the company's prospects and drag down its stock price. Meanwhile, Berkshire stock has fared better this year as investors consider it a safer place to keep their money. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to know more about Tesla stock.